Hello, my friends. I hope you guys are doing really well today. Today we're taking a look at these sneakers by FitVille. Let's go ahead and take a look at the quality here. Bring our light up here. We love doing inspections on sneakers that we get. As you can see, there's very thick rubber, or a type of rubber, I should say. And that means these should last a long time. They are very smooth on the bottom. Breathable mesh all around the sneaker. The tongue has about low, maybe medium padding, but I would go towards the low end. Let's see the actual insole. Oh, wow. So the insole has, wow, that is really soft padding. So inside here, that is super soft. Super, super soft. On the back here, I would say it's got medium padding. Let's see. The insole, I'm just checking for you guys. Yes, they are removable. So you can take them out and replace them if you need to, you know, after it gets worn out. So it feels nice. It fits nice. I love that it's wide up here. So you got plenty of room for your toes. You know, it doesn't feel like your foot is being smashed. So I really like that about this. Overall, I think they're nice, my friends.